pretty cool, just riding around. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Yay. Going slow. This way. You hear that? That's built, Kai. Actually not built, that's a chain. It's a chain. And he likes to hold the horn. See? Bottom. So while I'm not unlocking the sports mode, this is the best time to ride it with my son. And he enjoyed it. Definitely. There you go. Okay, you want to go off-road? Okay, Kai want to go off-road. Kai want to go off-road. Kai want to go off-road. Like your Jeep, huh? Like your Jeep. Just like your Jeep. Wow. Woohoo! Yay!
Alright guys, you guys can see here, it's really safe riding this X160 Segway. Because they have that feature, you can put it in sport mode and you can also put it like an eco mode. And you know, that's the thing about dirt bikes. That's why you see a lot on YouTube, people like crashing and failed videos and because of the throttle is overpowered. But this one right here, you can actually just ride it around in slow mode, so anyone can ride it basically. And then if you want to go fast, you can put it in sport mode. So that's a good thing, that's a good feature. But you don't have to worry about smelling like fuel, you know, worry about like being so loud. Yes, you might hear the squeaking sound, look like the tires or the chain, but it's still much quieter. Everything can be controlled by the app of your smartphone. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more video to come.